You wake up one morning and notice something's changed. Standing up from your chair takes just a little more effort than it used to. A few weeks later, those stairs to the bedroom leave you more winded than before. And suddenly, what used to be easy daily activities now feel like mini workouts. Sound familiar? Here's what's really happening, and more importantly, what you can do about it starting today. Your legs are experiencing something called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass that begins around age 30 but accelerates significantly after 60. This isn't just about looking older or feeling weaker. When your leg muscles deteriorate, your balance becomes compromised, your independence starts slipping away, and your risk of dangerous falls increases dramatically. But here's the empowering truth that most people don't realize. While everyone talks about exercise for stronger legs, which is absolutely important, what you put on your plate can be equally powerful, sometimes even more so. Your kitchen might just hold the key to rebuilding the strength you thought was gone forever. Today, we're exploring 6 scientifically proven foods that can help restore muscle power, support bone health, and keep your legs carrying you confidently through your golden years. The final food on this list is probably sitting in your refrigerator right now, but 99% of seniors are missing the crucial way to maximize its muscle building potential. Before we dive in, I'd love to connect with our community. Drop a comment below telling me your age and where you're watching from. It's amazing to see how our healthy aging family spans the globe. Let's start with number 6, sweet potatoes. Think of these orange powerhouses as premium fuel for your leg muscles. Unlike the quick energy spikes you get from processed foods, followed by that inevitable crash, sweet potatoes deliver sustained energy that keeps your muscles powered for hours. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at storing and utilizing energy. That's why carrying groceries or walking up an incline starts feeling more challenging. Sweet potatoes counter this natural decline with complex carbohydrates that provide steady fuel without causing blood sugar roller coasters. Inside that vibrant orange flesh, you'll find vitamin A for faster muscle recovery, potassium for proper muscle contractions, and anti-inflammatory compounds that fight the cellular damage that weakens muscle fibers over time. The natural fiber also supports nutrient absorption, ensuring your muscles actually receive the fuel you're providing them. Number 5 brings us to oats, the endurance champion for aging legs. Most people dismiss oats as boring breakfast food, but for seniors, they're actually one of the most effective foods for maintaining all-day leg strength and preventing that heavy, tired feeling that often hits mid-afternoon. Oats provide slow-releasing carbohydrates that fuel your muscles consistently without energy crashes, but they do much more than just provide fuel. Each serving contains plant-based protein to help repair muscle fibers that naturally break down with age, plus iron and magnesium, 2 nutrients many seniors lack. Iron ensures oxygen reaches your muscles efficiently, while magnesium helps muscles relax and prevents those painful nighttime leg cramps that can disrupt your sleep. Oats also support healthy circulation, keeping blood vessels flexible so nutrients and oxygen can reach your leg muscles for faster recovery. Number 4 is avocados, nature's answer to stiff, achy legs. As we age, inflammation often creeps into our muscles and joints, creating that dull ache when getting out of bed or tightness after sitting too long. Avocados fight this naturally with monounsaturated fats that calm inflammation and keep joints supple. These creamy fruits pack more potassium than bananas, helping prevent muscle cramps and spasms. If you've ever been jolted awake by a painful calf cramp, inadequate potassium might be the culprit. Avocados also provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that repairs stress damage in muscle tissue while supporting circulation. Coming in at number 3, we have berries, the ultimate muscle protectors. Every day, your muscles face invisible enemies like free radicals and oxidative stress. You might not see this cellular damage happening, but you feel it as stiffness, soreness after light activity, and lingering fatigue. Berries act like microscopic shields, packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and reduce chronic inflammation. Their high vitamin C content supports collagen production, keeping muscles, tendons, and joints firm and flexible. Plus, berries enhance circulation, improving oxygen delivery to leg muscles so you feel less tired and recover faster. If you're finding value in this information, please hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based health tips. Your engagement helps us reach more people who can benefit from this knowledge. Number 2 is salmon, the muscle rebuilder. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your leg muscles support your entire body weight. With age, our ability to rebuild muscle tissue slows down, which explains why legs often feel weaker or more fatigued. Salmon provides high-quality protein containing all essential amino acids your muscles need for repair. But the real magic lies in omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect joints from stiffness. These nutrients also support nerve function, helping maintain sharp, coordinated movements, while B vitamins convert food into clean, usable energy. And finally, number 1, eggs, the complete strength foundation. Ask any nutritionist which single food best rebuilds strength after 60, and most will point to eggs. These nutritional powerhouses contain complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks muscles require for repair and growth. Eggs are also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, supporting both bone health and muscle strength. Low vitamin D is extremely common in seniors and contributes to fatigue, weakness, and balance issues. Just 1 or 2 eggs daily can help restore optimal levels naturally. Inside each yolk, you'll find choline, a nutrient that keeps nerves and muscles communicating smoothly, leading to quicker reactions and steadier steps. Eggs also provide B vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that protect muscle cells and sustain energy throughout the day. Now, you might be wondering if you need to eat all 6 foods every single day. The answer is no. You can rotate them throughout the week. Consistency matters more than perfection. Even having a few servings of each across the week can create noticeable improvements in leg strength and energy. Morning is ideal for consuming these foods since starting your day with nutrient-rich options provides lasting muscle fuel and stabilizes energy levels. However, your body benefits whenever you nourish it properly, so lunch or dinner works perfectly fine too. Many of these foods actually work synergistically when combined. Oats with berries, salmon with avocado, scrambled eggs with sweet potato hash. This food synergy can amplify the individual benefits. Light movement enhances how these nutrients function in your body. Simple leg stretches, short walks, or chair exercises speed up your progress. Nutrition provides the fuel, but movement activates the rebuilding process. Let's quickly recap these 6 leg-strengthening foods. Sweet potatoes fuel muscles with lasting energy and accelerate recovery. Oats provide steady strength while preventing cramps. Avocados reduce inflammation and boost flexibility. Berries protect muscle fibers with powerful antioxidants. Salmon rebuilds tissue and improves circulation. Eggs supply complete nutrition for stable, responsive leg muscles. Together, these foods create a natural defense against age-related muscle loss and weakness. Every meal, including 1 or more, brings you closer to stronger legs, better balance, and maintained independence. If you've noticed fatigue when climbing stairs, heaviness when walking, or increasing leg stiffness, remember it's never too late to turn things around. Your body still responds to proper nutrition. Start today, and within weeks you may feel the difference in lighter steps, steadier balance, and renewed confidence. This information is for educational purposes only and shouldn't replace personalized medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you're managing chronic conditions or taking medications. Your legs are your foundation for independence, mobility, and life control. Even small, consistent dietary changes can lead to dramatic improvements in daily energy and comfort. Start with 1 change this week, perhaps adding sweet potatoes to dinner or tossing berries into breakfast. Each bite is an investment in your future, strength, and freedom. Which of these 6 foods do you already enjoy, and which will you start incorporating this week? Share your plans in the comments. Your commitment might inspire someone else to begin their journey towards stronger, more reliable legs.